Oh please, oh please, oh please, a bit, just, yeah. Oh, that was pretty bad.
Hi guys, my name is Anna and I'm into the binary options trading. That's a little bit windy because I'm in Dubai Resort and I'm at the Lamborghini. So guys, if you want to know more, if you want to get more results, profits, knowledges, you can just proceed to my Telegram link, to my Telegram channel where I post 12 signals per day and you can use it and get the same.
Hi guys, here's me, Anna. Of course, I'm right there. This is the Quotex platform, this is the binary options, this is the tradings, and this is the profits. That's gonna be my motto for today. I don't know how it's gonna be going. I got some mixed feelings because this strategy is a little bit modified, but anyway, this is gonna be the nicest indicators with the nicest periods, with the nicest market, I hope so, and let's see how it's gonna be actually for us today. And we gotta go 1 minute and 700, maybe the first bad, maybe just the whole sum that I'm gonna be dividing. Still have no decision on that because we're gonna be just looking at the charts, what we're gonna be having, how it's gonna be working. 10 seconds candles, not complaining, and chapter and cycle is the first one, and as you may see, I just chose 3 fields with a 91% as a payout. Second one is gonna be the ADX, which is nicely done and nicely working, but gonna be playing a bit with the periods, just a little bit, nothing special. And then it's gonna be the Keltner channel. So the classy of the classy, the monster strategy, which is giving us the vibes of getting all that done with the profits. And this is how it is. A bit messy. Just after the first glance, you're just like, what's going on? What do I need to read? How do I need to understand that? But I hope we're gonna be just seeing how it's nicely working. I'm not sure yet because nobody knows how it's gonna be. But we're gonna be testing it. Okay, the big horizon, the big horizon. So my expectation and just what I want it to be, this is just the peak. That's gonna be the end. And if I'm being honest, I am getting just not full with all of the signs. Yeah, we can see the chapter and cycle kinda at the peak position, but if you know how this line, how the indicator actually looks like, you may see and you may tell me this is nothing that you can tell from that. And ADX lines, you know, that the thing about this ADX, so we are waiting for this crossing of this touching of this period when all of these 3 lines are getting into one, are getting crossed, and this is gonna be just the perfect signal of changing. But I entered way earlier and we had before some orange candles, and there's nothing out of that indicator that could actually help me, could give me the whole information that it's going to be just like that and we're going to be all right and correct. I don't like much this period of the Keltner channel because you may see how actually it is weirdly done. It looks like the snake, and this is the only info that I can get from that image. Okay, I hope it's gonna be better because I fixed that periods and I think I made it a disaster out of the strategy. Look at that. Look at this Keltner channel now. It is crazy. So if you're gonna be looking at that as we are just the children trying to see what we have on that, you know, on the trading, on the strategies, all that we know about this Keltner channel, that all of the candles are trying to get inside of that channel, or this channel are trying to cover, trying to catch as much as possible all of these candles. This is not like the Donjon channel when all of these candles are strictly inside of it. We can get some candles out, but we know the more it's out, the more it's going to be trying to get back. So this is the easy way to see it, the easy way to read that. You may see before that we had this kind of weird thing with the ADX because the lines got it just touched but not crossed. That's the worst of it. But the thing is, if you're going to be ignoring all of these controversial signals, oh my god, controversial signals from all of these strategies, we just may think that it's going to be repeating of the patterns. Yeah, this is the kind of volatility that we are having, but it's just fine, and we've been playing on that. But I gotta admit, this is disastrous strategy. That's a bad one. So I need to make 2 more bets not to get out of the profits and end it. This one looks like the bottom, and I think I need to get a little bit faster because we already got this rising and I need not to be late on that. So I think we got even go on channel right there, a nice one, like you can see some waves. But oh my god, ADX line trying to get crossed, but we can see this downward candle, this orange one. What about the sharp trend cycle? Maybe with this period we cannot see anything. Of course, it is showing to us that we are getting downward because it's all about the big strategies, and if you're going to be comparing to the levels that we had before, of course, even with that peak we are actually getting downward. So it is all right and correct, nothing bad about that. The only thing that is bad that I wanted, yes, oh my god, please, oh please, oh please, oh please, a bit, just, yeah, oh, that was pretty bad. And now the Kelvin channel went narrow, so we do expect some changing and maybe the rise on. Oh yes, you can see that. Okay, gotta make just this one because the situation is, that's bad. Maybe I needed like 15 seconds candles just not to be so scared of what's going on. You can see how it's reaching, how it's jumping. We have in the tiniest or the longest candles, and it's all in the last few minutes. So it's getting crazy. It seems like we're gonna be rising, and even chapter and cycle. Okay, this is the good one. That's a good one. It is, it is showing to us that we're gonna be rising. And the ADX line, too much crossing for the last minute, but I think right there we are onto that big upward tendency. So the massive and the big tendency is to get upward, and this is kind of unstoppable, inevitable. So we're gonna be rising and rising and rising. Oh wait, this is everything that is going on right here is completely the opposite to what I see, what I think, what I say. Oh, bad. Just the 3,000 because I wasn't so sure and I wasn't get that risky with all of that situations. Of course, I think just at the end I may get more because if I wouldn't be so careful, but in the bad scenario, I would leave. I would stay with some money on my wallet. Okay, what's that? I don't need no more problem. Okay, got it. Confirm. Request successfully sent, and I am leaving with a cup of coffee just to calm my nerves. Guys, just don't forget, we just got done, and there's nothing I want to tell you more about that strategy than it's just sorry to show it. Don't forget, if you are into the same difficult situations, if you are with some problems, non-profitable situations, you can always find my channels, text me, give me some feedback, ask me for some help, and use my signals. Yeah, that's too, just to get some profits onto my knowledges. So guys, all the links below this video are just in my bio. get into it and find some.